Hello guys, welcome back to another daily clog. Apparently, I didn't make a clog yesterday because I went to the fair and I forgot to take my iPad there because my iPad was charging and everything. So, I just wanted to show you some more nature and stuff. See, some nice trees. Would you guys shut up? I'm trying to film. So, yeah. Okay, that's it. No more talking. Anyway, so look at that red flower over there. Let me just get that red flower. Yeah, you see that guy? Jeez, why will you guys not be quiet? I have no idea where they are. I remember yesterday, there was a blue jay or a catbird, and it was just chirping, and then the crow was telling it to shut up, and then I'm telling the crow to shut up, and now apparently the crow's telling a goldfinch to shut up, and now I'm telling both of them to shut up. So mean. Well, not that mean. That's what I do. Anyway, back to nature. So there's the tomato plants. There's our perfectly organized garden. Oh, Grandma, your poppies bloomed. Your poppies, they bloomed. Grandma, your poppies bloomed. So, let's go take a look at the poppies. So these are our puppies. Sounds like puppy. Probably doesn't know. Anyway. So, it's nice to feel a good wind of nature again. Some flowers. Yeah, these are good. Some good. No, actually, weird flowers. There's some boats. There are the two boats, like the mini, medium. Then we have the best boat in the whole entire universe. And the largest boat. This guy. Anyway, it's that guy. The fishbone. The amazing rampage fishbone. Let me get just a little closer and look on it. I need to just get up here. And then we have the amazing fishbone. So, yeah, that's apparently all I have for today. Well, anyway. Guys, I'm trying to film. So, yeah. There's some pretty annoying stuff around here in Cape Cod, don't they? Because everything interrupts my film, so, yeah. Especially those kids over there. I can actually see them, but you can't. But, hey. I'm trying to film! Why do they not hear me? I'm trying to film here! Anyway. Now they're quiet. That's a cool house over there. That's like a fan on top of it. Oh, man. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I guess, sadly, we have ran out of time. I'll see you. Bye. I ended my film. You can talk now.